Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make delicious biscuits ice cream at home with an easy guide. First, let's gather our simple ingredients. You will need 2 cups of very cold heavy cream, 1 14-ounce can of sweetened condensed milk, and about 1 1/2 cups of your favorite biscuits. Make sure all your ingredients are well chilled before you begin for the best results. This no-churn recipe is incredibly simple and yields fantastic, creamy ice cream. Now, let's create our creamy base. Take your 2 cups of very cold heavy cream and pour them into a large mixing bowl. Using an electric mixer, whip the cream on medium-high speed until it forms beautiful, stiff peaks. This usually takes about 3 to 5 minutes. Once your cream is perfectly whipped, gently fold in the entire 14-ounce can of sweetened condensed milk. Be careful not to deflate the airy cream. Next, it's time to add the star ingredient, the biscuits. Take about 1 1/2 cups of your favorite biscuits and crush them into small, bite-sized pieces. You can use a food processor or simply place them in a bag and crush them with a rolling pin. Gently fold these crushed biscuits into your ice cream base until they are evenly distributed throughout the mixture. Then, transfer everything into a freezer-safe container, smoothing the top. Finally, the waiting game. Place your container in the freezer for at least 6 hours or even better overnight. This allows the ice cream to firm up perfectly. When you are ready to enjoy, take it out of the freezer and let it sit at room temperature for about 5 to 10 minutes to soften slightly. Then, scoop out generous portions of your delicious homemade biscuits ice cream. You can even garnish with a few extra crushed biscuits for a lovely presentation.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.